Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the bonus love read. This reading is going to be for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, if there is a specific someone that you love and you really want to end up being with that specific someone, but you wonder at times, um, will it ever happen? Then this reading is definitely going to help you find the answer to that. We will see what's going to come up for the two of you in this connection. It can be applicable to ex, current person, and whoever it is that you have on your mind and you really want to know, can you end up together or will you end up together? This will definitely give you the answer to that. We will also include the oracle cards in this reading, so stay tuned. And before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may and it may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So let's get started. Taurus, will you two end up together? Whoever it is that you want to end up with. Let's begin. The Fool, King of Swords, Knight of Pentacles. Nobody can stop you two to come up, to end up together. Only you can do that. You will not have any single block within this connection coming from an outside source. If you want, you can have it even right now as well. You are a free soul. You have some sort of a magical power that you are tapped into. If you want to make it happen, you can definitely still make it happen. I don't know what is it that's stopping you right now, but if you want to end up with this person, you can definitely end up with this person. Maybe for some reasons, you yourself are not taking the fast step towards making it official, making it committed, making it like maybe living in the relationship or stuff like that, or getting married to this person. As of now, you are taking some baby steps towards this connection. I don't see anybody in this world can stop you if you decide that I want to get married to this person in this week time. You will get married to this person in that 1 week time. Seeing these cards here, it seems like your person is already madly in love with you. It's just you having kind of a pulled away energy from this connection for now. So if you want, nothing in the world can stop you. You will have all the support that you would need to make things work in this connection. All you need to do is take a step towards it. Let's take more cards. Which you are not doing right now. You are too focused on something else, which could be the reason why you are not taking the right steps forward in this connection. So I feel like, like I said, nothing in the world can stop you. If you choose that yes, you want to get married to this person or you want to end up with this person will be on the waiting side for you or for your attention. It seems like right now you are not prioritizing your love life and you are not prioritizing this person right now. So definitely, let's take more cards. Ace of Swords and Ace of Wands. The moment you decide, you can have a new beginning with this person. You can definitely end up being with this person. Let me see one card for the Six of Pentacles. Yeah, right now you are the one who's holding back. So the answer is a big yes. You and your specific someone will end up together. As you take a step towards that person, as you maybe propose them, as you maybe, open up about your feelings to them. And right now you are too focused on yourself. You're self-centered right now. You are not taking that decision of somehow maybe you have this deepest knowing from within that this person and you are destined to be together. So you are not hurrying in regards to taking it to the next level. You're just kind of easy on it. Maybe I don't see your person's energy here, so maybe they are also easy on it. They believe that when the time is right, maybe things will work out. But yes, it seems like you are so sure that when you want, you can have it. And maybe the person is just surrendering it to the god, like when the time is right, maybe it will happen. So yes, the answer is a big yes. You are the magic, you got the magic wand in your hand. So whenever you want it, there you got it all. So yeah, let's see what's the energy of the person that you are dealing with, Taurus. Let's see what is your person's energy towards you or towards the connection, because I don't see their energy in this spread here. So let's see how this person views you. They believe that, maybe your work, maybe other responsibilities are pretty much keeping you busy right now, but they know that when the time is right, things will work out. God will bring you back to them. So whether you're talking, whether you're not, they have a strong faith around the connection. So I don't think that this person is worried about it at all. They know that you are theirs forever. Like, whether you are talking to them or not, sometimes they do feel bad around the situation, thinking or wishing that you could stay with them still, like, giving them also the priority that they seek in this connection. But then they know that you are not going anywhere. So there's this deepest knowing that you belong to them, they belong to you. That's pretty much there for sure. Somehow they do dislike the fact at times that you don't give them time. So maybe for majority of you, you are not with that person as much as they would like it to be. But yes, they have a strong faith in the connection. Underneath the deck, we do have the Ten of Cups. This person and you are definitely destined to be together for sure. There is a strong possibility of them waiting on for you than you waiting on for them to take this connection to the next level. So yeah, let's see what the oracle has to add to the read. The answer is a big yes. You and your person will end up together if and when you are ready. So yep. Focus on love. Look for good in everyone. 24. I feel like, sometimes you purposely ignore this person. You do have some commitment issues, maybe. For some of you, maybe you have this thing where you just tempt them to act a certain way. And then if that has been the case, trust me, this person, the person that you are dealing with, they might have pulled away because you used to hurt them a bit with this kind of attitude where even if you would not talk to them. So if that has been the case, maybe this person has pulled away from you and they are now believing that when the time is right, when you are ready, you will come to them, and that will happen soon. The moment you start focusing on love, you will need them and only them. So that's very evident in the energy. Maybe for some of you, use purposely, like I said, nobody in the world can stop you. If you want it, you can right now as well have it. The rest is all a lame excuse. Third party situation. In this situation, it seems like, the third party situation is nothing but you yourself not ready for it. So that's a third party situation. Your inner demons, maybe, or maximum the work that you do. Meditate on Friday. That will help you understand a few things that you might not be able to understand right now. Talk to nature, and you are my everything. Self-worth and self-confidence. You do have commitment fears. You do feel like maybe you feel that, if you open up about your feelings, you want to have that, the bossy image in this connection where, you don't feel vulnerable to get hurt in the connection. Maybe that's something which is stopping you. But yes, you and your person are destined to be together for sure. So I do see that you and your person will end up together, because whenever you're going to focus on love or your love life, you will only think of this person. So I don't see that there will be any issue. If you want it, nothing in the world can stop you. And with the energy of the person that you are dealing with, they are also so sure. So maybe they are manifesting, or they will be manifesting you in their life. So I don't see that there will be any block between the two of you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Till I do the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.